Alright. Okay, we've got a new build in the shed. It's a red S14, as you can see, or as you have seen, or as you're about to see. Red S14. Plans for this car, 2JZ, GTE, big turbo, turbo 400, another big power auto car, surprise, another red car, surprise. With any of the builds that sort of come through the doors, first step is to give them a nice clean, give us a nice place, give them a good clean, give it a nice base to start from and a good foundation, you might say. If you want to skip ahead, George has got timestamps in the description. You can skip this part, get into the juicy parts that you want to see. Go down below, have a look there. Yeah.
Get into it.
And get into it. You can go down here, click what you want, get into the parts that you want to watch. Oh. Boom, it's hot as buggery.
Was a green line.
I thought that was going to wipe off, but it doesn't. It's just on there. She's got some K's on her. Steering wheel, look at that. They just drive around like this.
What's it taste like?
Tastes like grime. I'm just can't. What's that? Oh, it's the speaker. Oh, not the speaker, the microphone. The speedo. Oh. Still kind of crusty. Not bad though. Can't get in there with my fat fingers. Oh. Oh, jelly belly.
You could still use it.
I don't know, they smell like anything. It smells like grime. Ugh, that's nasty. Need some armor on. But I don't have any armor on. Yeah, get out, boy.
Shop's like, it's as the crow flows in Bournemouth.
Flows. As the crow flows.
Flies.
You did not say.
Did you get that on the camera?
Yeah, I would have.
It's as the crow flows in Bournemouth.
Flows.
It's as the crow flows in Bournemouth.
Flows.
It's as the crow flows in Bournemouth.
Flows.
Oh,
You would. Dead dog.
I'm not on anyone's side.
I'm not on anyone. Now it is successfully cleaned. Follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1, don't use interior cleaner, use Boss Gloss because that's all you've got. Step 2, wipe it down with regular rags that don't absorb anything and it just kind of smushes it around. Step 3, do half a job and call it good. Good.
It's good from my front door.
I mean, it looks better from your front door. I don't know if I'd say it looks good, but it looks better. Looks less like it's been sitting in a panel shop for 8 years. 15% off all ARP products on the website is live right now. Chances are, if you've done anything with cars, you've heard of ARP before. They're the leading name in fasteners for anything engine related. We use them in absolutely every single engine that we build. Anything that we can put an ARP bolt on inside of our engines, we'll do it. Head studs, main studs, rod bolts, cam cap studs, you name it, ARP make a bolt for it. For most of you playing at home, head studs is probably going to be the one thing that you're after. If you're getting a little bit more serious with your build, main studs and rod bolts, stuff like that. If you're looking at anything ARP and you're a little bit unsure as to whether or not it suits what you want to do or if it'll suit your engine or anything like that, feel free to give us a call or send the page a message and we'll be sure to walk you through whether or not this is right for you, wrong for you, or anything in between.
What are we doing with it?
Cleaning it.
Why?
Look at that.
Where'd it come from?
Paint shop.
nearly as me, wasn't it?
What'd you do?
I wanted to tape up in here. From there down. Now we have two of them. Put that on. Shake it. You shake it enough, it goes like a raptor. Yes.
Why do you peel it off straight away?
Hey,
Why do you peel it off straight away?
in case there's any overspray or anything that you can't see, if you peel it off straight away, you can just wipe it with terps.
Oh.
Unhook that, David.
Just thinking, I was going to say, if you want to come for a drive, Daddy, you come for fun.
I'm going to go to that last one. It's black. Makes so much difference.
You just trying to grow those wind screens next door, or you actually put them in cars?
I don't want a window job. I want Johnny's job.
You don't, I mean,
Hey, does Johnny have a job?
you might want it now. You didn't want it about 2 hours ago.
Get me out of your camera.
Wow.
Future Johnny problems there. What happened to that? We're putting all the stone guards back underneath it that have been repainted, so it looks like it should out of the factory. Cut that bit out. And replacing the hardware. These gloves are It sure does. That's not bad.
George, don't put this in the video.
Okay.
George, don't put this in the video. George. George, don't put this in the video. This is just for you and me. And Jodie. Voila!
What red paint? It's all the little details that count.
Oh, you want that
Wouldn't
one?
rap about it, would you?
You are ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, it's just started next door. Did we right on it?
Wait.
I think he might be a while. Lovely. All right, part one of the S14 is coming to an end. Juddy's got the Part one of the S14 is coming to a close. Juddy's got the underside of this thing all wrapped aligned, looking sick. All the heat shields painted and little brackets. We've got some nice little red accents under here as well. Just the one for now because the others are over there. All painted, brake lines are all back up in there. Those brackets are all painted. Everything's looking really lovely, really nice and clean. I smushed some dirt around on the interior. You know, I've been really hands-on with the underside of this project. I've been just working real hard at it. Yeah, the underside of this thing's pretty much done. I think he's working on the subframes at the moment, so he's going to get the subframes painted and cleaned up, and then we'll throw the subframes back in, and then we'll be able to put it back on its wheels and have it rolling around again. But that's going to come in the next episode, maybe. Or it could be the episode after that, who knows. But it's not going to be this one, that's for sure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. It's not even an episode, we'll just see you in the next video. There's not episodes anymore, is there? Really?
Yeah, I don't know.
There's no series.
Yeah.
There's no rhyme to this reason.
We're just doing what we want.
Just doing what we want. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
See ya.
Yeah, well, I was meant to do it yesterday, but the screen light broken. Meant to do it today, screen light broken. Who's that? Mag, Brisbane?